Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. If you know anything about my channel, you know I recently got monetized. Woo! I went the turtle route, 2.5 years to monetization. So I was filling out the information online to be monetized, put ads on my videos. I can see on YT Studio app and YouTube Studio on the computer how much money I'm making on AdSense. You know, a few pennies, it's nice. But how do I get that money? I filled out some information with my address and now it's asking for a PIN number. How in the world do I get a PIN number? I couldn't figure it out. This came in the mail with my PIN number on it. I'm not going to show you all of the number, obviously. And it comes with the instructions. Let me show you. Here it guides you step by step. Step 1, go to google.com/AdSense. Step 2, click the gear icon. Step 3, click on account information and then click verify address. Step 4, enter your PIN and click submit PIN. Now that we looked at the paper, let's look at the website and how to do it. Let's go. It's important to note that I attempted this on my phone and it didn't work out. So now I'm trying on my laptop. Use your computer. Let's go. On google.com/AdSense, it automatically connected me because on my computer I'm connected to my Google account. So it says, your payments are currently on hold because you have not verified your address. Friends, verify. Golly. Put the PIN in here. Obviously I'm not showing you the number, but then I click submit. Your billing address has been verified. Thank you very much.